how to add song to your Facebook profile, like that. And for that, open your profile, then go to your setting and privacy, and press on setting again, then scroll down, then you can see the profile details. Now find the music option, this one, press on see all. I already add one, you can add another one. Suppose this one, press on this and it will be add. Now simply press on this icon and set as pin to profile. Now go back to my profile, then if you reload your profile and see as view as, you can see music is added. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.